Oh, there's two of them. Crap. Steady.
Go ahead for the club.
The other eye's hanging between this and the center of the shoe. Aim it out, lower.
All I need is one champ. Woo! Stew for dinner.